Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. Here basically we are discussing about one of the combination, that is words basically, that is Oxford words basically. In this basically we are discussing about one topic, that is basically the this word basically. This combination basically. One of the person told that basically 3,50,000 city basically is there basically, right? 3 lakh buildings basically are 3,50,000 buildings are there. 1 lakh so 12,000 projects basically are there. Power companies basically are there. Energy companies are basically there. 12,000 crore basically words basically are there. Then basically more than 20 lakh employees basically are there. Then the buildings basically which is supplying the binary data, that is also there only. Then basically the 6 crore human blood cells are also basically there. Then basically the blood cells basically are there. Then the 22 blood cells basically are there. So this was the combination basically. This was the combination basically. This was the combination basically. And this was the combination basically, you can say. And this was the infrastructure data basically of the each and every city of India basically. But this data will not help to USA. Reason? Reason is this basically. So one of the person told that basically why basically the infrastructure basically doesn't suits here basically. Then one of the person told that that's basically uh, in India basically US people basically can adjust. Then one of the person told that no, yeah, basically because world basically is moving, different directions basically are there. World is going to move sometime left, sometime right, sometime straight, sometime down, sometime top. So it's not possible basically, right? That Earth planet is going to move in one direction only. That is not possible basically. So due to that basically the every side basically the world basically has created. Like this creation basically 215 country basically got created. Like this 215 countries are created. So one of the person told that yes, yeah, 215 countries basically is not a small amount basically. Then he told that yes, yeah, basically 215 countries is a big amount basically. Big number basically also you can say. Big number basically. That also you can say basically. So 215 is a big number, and it's actually circulated in the across the world basically. So 215 basically is a one number basically, that is a infrastructure basically created for certain level of task basically, which is going to use basically for the future purpose basically. That is the future purpose basically, that data is going to be used. That data basically is going to be used for the future purposes. So one of the person told that yes basically that is going to be used for the future purposes. So you can just imagine the future purpose basically that is created basically. So one of the person told that basically the world basically is created how basically are basically. For example, uh, the India infrastructure is basically getting used in the USA. Then he told that yes, basically, India infrastructure is basically getting used. How basically? Then one of the person told that there are lots of utilities which basically are getting used in the India, USA also was of the India basically. Then he told that which type of basic. Then basically he told that the Hindu temples basically are there. Hindu temples data was basically are created. Hindu temples, Hindu temples books are created. Then Hindu temples, Hindu temples, church basically are created of the India basically. That basically supplying the set of energies basically in the environment basically. They are basically supplying the energies in the environment basically. So if they are supplying the energy in the environment, that means they basically are created for certain purpose basically. Then one of the person told that basically, if your heartbeat basically is normal, then he told that yes basically your heartbeat basically is normal basically. Reason is some infrastructure basically is connected with you. If it is not normal basically, then basically that infrastructure is not connected with you. If your heart basically is doing very fast basically beat basically, and that basically may convert to the heart attack also basically. If that is basically, that means some other infrastructure basically is connected with you. So that type of basically infrastructure basically are created in many of the countries basically, and that are basically some unique infrastructure that basically nobody can create, and that basically can only used basically by the certain level of countries only. That is a unique creation basically. Also you can say that creation basically nobody in this world basically can create. Nobody in this world basically can create it. Nobody in this world basically can create. Nobody in this world basically can create that type of utilities. So that basically connects to the heartbeat basically. So like this basically each and every body parts data basically are created by the set of countries basically that nobody in this world basically can create, and that is connecting to this basically. And for that basically we had discussed one topic also, that is this. See basically this. Microsoft got 35 words. In 35 words basically he got which body parts? Head, heart and leg. But that is going to affect to how many peoples? How many people basically he can connect? 200 crore people. 200 crore people basically he can connect basically. So like this basically he can connect to 200 people basically, right? Not more than that basically. So like this basically the things basically are this many 200 crore. He can only connect to 200 crore people basically. But rest of people basically is not having my Microsoft blood cells basically. So that people he can't access their leg, head and basically the heart basically. So in next video basically we are going to see a little bit more about this.